Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Like promised, if you watch my last video that I posted, you will know that I made a commitment to help post a couple of times a week jobs that I find online so that you guys can find work. Those of you who are out of work, need to supplement your income, who need to replace a job because you were affected by the current situation with COVID-19. I promise to send you some information. I'm sending this information really fast. I apologize for the format that it's in, but I wanted to get it out to you quick as possible because this job was just posted on the 11th and the 12th. So I wanted to share this information with you. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, that may be a great opportunity for you with the perfect skill set for you. Make sure you guys stay connected and share this information. Like, share, comment below. If you get the job, drop a comment below. Come back and tell me that you got it. We want to celebrate with you. If you have a friend that's looking for work, please share this information, okay? And you guys know that you can find me on Instagram, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, okay? So make sure you guys jump on over and follow me on all social media handles. Also, let's see here. Let's just jump right into it. I wanted to share the information with you guys so that we can go ahead and get you guys this information. This company right here, who is based out of Plano, Texas, NTT Data, is hiring. And the title on my video is correct. They are titling this job as a COVID-19 100% remote call center agent. Listen, look at here, you guys. These are the listings. So go here. I want you to go here and I want you to look at this job and I want you to see if you have the skill sets, but I'm going to review what they're looking for so you guys know, okay? So at NTT Data Services, we know that with the right people on board, anything is possible. The quality, integrity, and commitment of our employees are key factors in our company's growth, market presence, and our ability to help our clients stay a step ahead of the competition. By hiring the best people and helping them grow, both professionally and personally, we ensure a bright future for NTT Data Services and for the people who work here. So NTT Data Services currently seeks a COVID-19 100% remote control call center agent to join our team in Frankfort, Connecticut. And they put United States. It doesn't say if the job is only in Frankfort, Connecticut, but we'll read further to see if we come up with it. COVID-19 has put tremendous burden on one of our clients' call centers. We need individuals to answer phones for them remotely to assist with calls during this pandemic. The following criteria applies. Employees must provide their own computers. Employees must have internet connection. Start date is immediate. Work will be 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. The shift is 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Performance will be evaluated based on the number of reported contact available via Amazon Connect. The ideal candidate will have had call center experience and work with call center tools like Amazon Connect. No phone is necessary. Calls will come through the computer. There will be an online training for approximately an hour plus documentation, such as frequently asked questions to assist with the script. The position is only available to those interested in direct staff employment opportunities with NTT Data Inc. or its subsidiaries. Please note, 1099 or Corp 2 corp contracts or the equivalent will not be considered. We offer a full comprehensive benefit package that starts from your first day of employment. About NTT Data Services. NTT Data Services partners with clients to navigate and simplify the modern complexities of business and technology, delivering the insights and solutions and outcomes that matter most. We deliver tangible business results by combining deep industry expertise with applied innovations in digital cloud automation across the comprehensive portfolio of consulting applications, infrastructures, and business process services. So listen, this opportunity sounds amazing. All you would do is go and apply here. The link to this job will be below in the comments, okay? All you have to do is look in my description below and get this link and go straight to this job, okay? You guys have a blessed day. I'll be back probably later on tonight with more opportunities. I made a commitment to you. I said 3 days a week, but if I see stuff throughout the week, I will send it to you, okay? My goal is to help you find work whether it's full-time, part-time, or you want to supplement your income, or you want to find a cool side hustle. That's what Side Hustle Keisha's page is all about, okay? We're giving you tips on finding work, tips on getting the job, tips on interview, but most importantly, bringing the jobs right to you. So all you have to do is do the work, apply, and come back and let us know if you got the job. We want to celebrate with you, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.